Good afternoon and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you what we feel is probably one of the most premium ribs on the market today that you can buy. We are back in Noss-on-Dart, and funny enough, our latest listing is only built up the road. So without further ado, I'm going to spin the camera around and tell you all about it. So here we have a 2021 Ribeye A811 model, which is an 8-meter boat, one of their most popular models ever built. And this boat was actually built up in 21, but to a 22 spec, and is absolutely loaded with extras. But I mean, as well as the specification and build quality, we do feel it's a very, very good looking boat. So start at the back, she is powered by a single Yamaha 300 horsepower, excess speed of around 50 knots. So, you know, for those that boat in this area, that'll get you around a Salcombe pretty quickly. The boat is fully fitted with synthetic teak throughout, and just real nice finish. You know, you've got this double diamond stitching throughout, which Ribeye do very well. But we'll start at the back. Step on board, you're probably wondering what these are. This is actually, whether you want it on the port side or starboard side, you can put in a wakeboard rack, so you can stick the wakeboards on there. You've obviously got the ski pole, which is nice and good. As well as the ski pole, we've got a little camera here which relates to the dash. So if you're just the two of you out, you can still helm the boat and see what's going on behind the back of the boat as well. You've got rod holders throughout, we've got 4 here. But I mean, in terms of specification, not many ribs these days. Got a deck shower here for those days on the water to rinse off. And the boat just oozes quality throughout. I mean, stepping on board, as you can see, we've got all the nice upholstery, which we've already mentioned. All nicely folds up, just space everywhere, including, look at that. Real nice gas strutted lockers there. Obviously you've got your water tank, everything all down there for the boat. Wireless charger is obviously located here on the port side, and another one on the starboard side. Got cup holders. Yeah, real nice deep seating, obviously nice grab holders as well, so when you are bombing along and you've got a few of you on board, everyone feels nice and safe as they're going along. We've got low level deck lighting throughout as well, which is nicely finished in blue LED, so it gives it a real nice finish. This boat is also been spec'd with the suspension seating, so yeah, no expense spared here, as you can see. Fusion system throughout, which has got dual zones as well, so you can obviously have the music at different volumes throughout the boat. More cup holders here. Nice bucket seats as well, so you can have these up, obviously with the bolster, or if you want to stand up whilst along, you can just have them up. Never scan strut, so never wireless system. It's a fusion system. We've got Garmin VHF, Garmin chart plotter, and obviously your Yamaha system for the outboard. Fusion speakers throughout. Good old Ribeye glove box down below, which I'm going to try to do single-handedly, but it's a real nice useful space for putting all those covers that you do use, and no one has anywhere to put them whilst on board, so that's that. So stepping forward, you've got a real nice sun lounger area here, and again another seat here. This obviously does convert up into a table when required, so you know, if you want obviously to those days at anchor having lunch and whatnot, that all works well there, as well as another option to put that table in the back here at the aft when required. So, these all have covers, you've got ample storage throughout. Lifts up all nicely, storage there, more cup holders again forward. So yeah, I mean, to us, this is one of the most premium ribs we feel that you can buy. We see a lot of these here on the picturesque River Dart, as you can see in the background. And yeah, if you want any more information, please visit our website and get in touch. We'll be happy to show you. Thank you.